Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the broken LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Gently lift the screen using a suction cup and carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Please note that some tablets might need extra heating. If your screen has many cracks, gently remove the pieces and take out the screen from the body. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. Next, clean the frame edges. Next, install the new screen assembly to the body. Next, secure the LCD plug. Next, fasten the battery plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the bracket by adding two screws. Next, add glue or adhesive tape around the frame. Next, gently slide the screen into place from bottom to the top and press lightly along the edges to secure it. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.